Have you ever seen the movie where the guy eats ratatouille and he gets taken back in time to his childhood by that flavor? We're going to recreate that Nuevo Mexico style with Fideos. Start with an onion, chop it up. Big or small, doesn't matter. Skillet on medium-high heat with 2 tablespoons of butter. We're going to use that to toast up the Fideos nice and brown. Stir them around, but do not burn them. They should look like that. Then throw in your onion and a little bit of garlic if you'd like. Sweat it down and throw in your protein. Flip it over, make sure it's nice and crispy. Then get 2 8-ounce cans of tomato sauce. Throw it into your skillet and then put 2 8-ounce cans of water. It should look nice and soupy like that, but don't worry, it boils down. Once it starts to thicken up like this, throw the stove on low. Grab your favorite bowl, spoon it in there. That one's from the Santa Fe Railroad, by the way. Shout out Fred Harvey. Get ready to be taken back in time. New Mexico, stay home, stay safe, and stay cooking. I'm Hawker Vanguard.